Welcome to a quick walkthrough of a one-bedroom at Pinehurst. This unit is 690 square feet and prices start at $669 a month. When you first walk in, you'll be in your large carpeted living room. If you head to the left, you'll see there's a sliding glass door which leads to your own personal balcony. As you head back to the right, you'll enter the kitchen and dining area. Inside the kitchen, you have a full fridge, a stove, dishwasher, and plenty of counter space. Right next to the dining room area is a coat closet with plenty of room for storage. Then, as you turn down the hall, you'll see another storage closet with tons of room. On the other side of the short hallway is your bedroom, with a large window that provides plenty of natural light as well as a huge closet. Right out of the bedroom and beside your bathroom is your third storage closet, this one with plenty of shelves. You'll then find yourself in the full bathroom, which has a shower, toilet, and full vanity. There's even an additional medicine cabinet which provides extra storage. Lastly, you'll enter the laundry room, which has a full-size washer and dryer for you to use.